All right, today we're going to try to repair this refrigerator. This is a pretty new refrigerator. I'm thinking we may have had a surge on this, so it's just totally not working at all. So I bought a new PCBA and I'm going to install that, and hopefully that'll fix it. So wish me luck. All right, the board wasn't in the back, it's in the front here. So, right there it is. Yeah. So now, hopefully, I can just change this part out right here, and this refrigerator will be back in business. All right, so I'm gonna, looks like everything is already wired in. This cable here goes in there somewhere and I will find it. But the only things I'm gonna have to unhook are these two buttons here and then this wire here, I believe. So let's, this right here, it must just be a sensor, and that's on there too, so I'm going to take that off and replace it. Okay. It's really hard to see if there's anything damaged on this board. Maybe a little right there, I just can't tell. And I don't care, as long as this new one works. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is rehook those All right, I've got the board back in there now. Just had to pull some of this off just so I could get to it. Now I'm going to plug these back in and then hopefully get it put together here and reinstall it and have power. Okay, the red one goes on the bottom. I tell you, it is tight. It might have been better to have taken that thing out. And the dark one on the top. There's not a lot of room to work with. I think it would have been better if I took that switch out, but it's actually too late now. There we go. All right, I'm going to close this back over to the board. I'm going to run this back down, and I'm just assuming this is some sort of sensor. Make sure, yes, still in there good. Get all this back in there good. Let's see if it works. Okay, I had to see exactly how to plug that in, because the last thing you want to do is plug it in wrong. It wouldn't go in, but you might mess something up. All right, I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see if it's working.
Yay! Way to go, Poppy.
Whew. All right.
You had some good luck.
Okay. So to try to keep us from having another surge, I've got a surge protector that I'm gonna put in here. And we'll plug her back in.